What is up, guys? Still not really feeling too great. Stayed home today from work again. I'm alright. We got out here this afternoon. We're not gonna sit around all day, and we're gonna do some more out here to get some more video clips. But I want to do a little live. We got the underglow on the Jag, so that's on and going. We're gonna do the interior lights, maybe some outside lights. But I was checking some things out last night when I was running the underglow. Let me get this camera flipped around, turn it around, and I'll show you what I'm talking about here as I explain it. Okay, the S-types, guys, right here, light goes, and this is like a plastic insert. But if you look on the, man, there's a damn bee. But if you look on the back side of this, there's the clip, and the wire harness is there for it. Man, that bee's gonna sting me. Damn it, guys. Yellow Jacket, he'll light me up too. What's up, Charlie Farmer, Trevor Spiller? What's up, guys? Glad you could join us, guys. But yeah, behind this is just like a filler, but the wire from the harness to the fog light assembly is in here. So I don't know if you guys really understand what I'm saying, but this gives me an outlet to tap. Well, I'm dropping everything, guys. The wind's blowing. Alright, well, that gives me an outlet down there to tap, and it'll be on a switch. It'll be on the fog light switch. It'll be on the fog light switch inside. So any wires that I run in here to any lights, it doesn't need a manual switch inserted. It needs just a fog light button push. So that's what it'll do. It'll come off the fog lights. Let's see the back of here. Oh, you can hear the stereo going. I probably should turn it down. Let's see. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I ran the underglow light through it kind of a little bit. It's actually to help hold that wire up for now. But see if I can get this out of here so you guys can see. But yeah, look, guys, that's the clip for the fog light. So I guess a number of things. I'm assuming that this would be my earth, my negative, and the other one is the hot. I can test them just to make sure, but I can go get the regular fog light assembly for the S-type, and it'll go right in here. This insert should come right out. But a number of things, I can scotch lock this line or tap into this line, whatever, and I can use the lead from this into another set of lights or anything. Oh, there's a dog on me. Oh, I got Dottie in my ear. Oh no, this bullet, they're attacking me, guys. Oh, I'm trying to hide under the truck. Dogs are getting me, licking my ears. Sorry. But anyway, I can use this lead for other stuff, like different sets of lights, and I can just put it on the fog lights. Hi, Tyler. What's up, man? But I can use this lead for a lot of different things, and it's already on a switch inside the interior. It's the fog light switch, so it doesn't need any kind of extra switch, so it keeps my interior real nice. And there's one on the other side too, so there's two breaks in that line, you see, and we can just tap right into those real easy. Oh man, sorry guys, I'm kind of out of breath. That was a lot of talking for me. Oh, my throat's sore as hell. I really don't think it's the running. Give me my glasses, bull. Look, guys. Look, he got my glasses and he won't let go. He took them off my head. Let's see. Here we go. Look, give me my glasses. What a jerk. You see what I get to put up with? Come here, bull. Give me my glasses, jerk. Let go of them. Alright, guys. Back to what I was doing. Dang it, bull. Now he's getting my ear again. Okay. He's as bad as the kids with the live video. But anyway, I'm getting off the ground. These guys are killing me. Where's my hat? Where's my hat, bull? Jerk. Put my hat on. Who really knows how my hair looks? It's funny. Alright, so I'm trying to recover here, guys. Let me pick my stuff up. Crap falling out of my pockets. So that's what we're doing. If you look at this, last night it was lit up. I actually washed this thing. Let's see. I actually washed this thing. Look at this. And it's spotted up, man. This is George's car wash for you. They got to get rid of that lime and calcium in their lines. Killing us, guys. Killing us. But this is what I'm thinking. If man, we're gonna do the inside lights. I'll show you those in a minute, but I'm gonna put a white LED inside here, and I want to light all this mesh up. So it glows inward, and it'll light this up and give this a good glow. Down here, I want to light this bottom grill area, the whatever the hell it's called, condenser or whatever for the ACs in here, and then there's a radio or a radiator and some other kind of cooler that sits behind here, so that just lets inlet air in there. So I want to light this area up, and I'm not sure exactly what I want to do here in the fog light area, but I'm gonna see if I can find these assemblies. Man, you see the rim on the Trap Blazer. Yeah, Charlie, I very well may need to. That's good thinking, because if I start to get too much draw on it, you're right, it probably would blow the fuse. I'm not sure what's in there for this, how many amps it is, but no, man, that's good thinking. A lot of people wouldn't realize that. But yeah, if you put it in and it doesn't work, or it's on for a little bit and then quits, you probably blew your fuse and you need to upgrade your fuse. But yeah, that's right, man, good job. But I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with these, if I'm gonna get the assembly or go with some sort of aftermarket. Not really sure exactly, guys, but we're gonna figure out something cool for here. So that's what we're gonna do on the front of this. Maybe if we can get out to see Amos, I think we'll wait until spring maybe, and we're gonna go with the half moon chrome down to here, black tint the rest of the way down on all those. I don't think I'll change them for color change. We may not do that, but I definitely want the chrome film across the top of here with maybe not blacked out, but definitely darker tinted. But we're probably upgrade these headlight bulbs that are in here. I was checking out bulbs the other day. They do have the RGB ones that are like on the Trap Blazer for this, but I'm not sure we're gonna do all that with this one. We got the underglow and stuff, we'll see. I do want the lowrider wheels, guys, the white walls, the with the 3-piece spinner, the knockoff, and the wire wheels, all that good stuff. I'm gonna put these on here. I'm telling you guys, it may seem crazy, but if you see this car and it's done like that, you'd be like, man, the dude was right. It's gonna look real nice. Looks like it's straight out of the Bodio homes. But what we'll do, like I said, the sun strip, we'll probably come down quite a ways with that, because you sit real low inside this car. So the sun strip needs to be a little lower, and down on the bottom, I would like to have a film come up so high, maybe not real high, but just enough to keep the glare off, because you sit so low in this car. You can see I put that in last night as the rosary. You can see I got all my stuff in here. I drive it all the time, man. I love this car, guys. It's a lot of fun. But we're gonna do some lights back here in the trunk. We have one light here, and you see how dim and amber this looks, guys. I really want to put a bright light in here, but I think what I'm going to do, the bulb that's in here, really easy to replace. You just fold this down. But anyway, I think we're going to put one of the RGB color change dome lights in here, and I'll probably break another lead and put a hidden switch up inside here, like maybe in this buttonhole, so it's hidden away, just a quick toggle, and it will run a white LED that sits inside here, up underneath there where the speakers are, and it will illuminate the rest of the trunk real nice and bright. But let's show you what we got going on inside here. Man, kind of out of breath. I mean, that's bad for a guy who talks as much as I do, because I talk smack all day. Here's the dome lights. It's the same ones to give away, some ones that are in the Blazer. They're Walmart, guys. They're like $8 for 2 of them. They're great. I love these things. There's a lot of fun. So we got these. You see the camera here. We're about to we're gonna get the real footage on here. This is just a teaser video. There's the tablet, the head deck for the Trap Blazer. Man, it's got a camera on it. I never even realized that. Man, I should utilize that a lot more. That's a dash cam. Anyway, the lights up here. You see, this is the actual dome light. This one is like an extra map light. We're gonna change these right away. I'll probably go this weekend and get some more lights. But the ones that come on the dome lights, really what I'm doing, guys, I'm just getting an idea of what it really looks in here with all the color change stuff. There's Todd White. What's up, brother? So I want to change these today on both sides over here, and that'll give us an idea of what it's like in here with the color change lights. I really don't know about doing that to this car. It's to me, this car is different, but we'll go back and we'll do these probably at a later day. But pretty simple. You see these tabs here. I'll just take a plastic screwdriver and we'll pop these tabs up. It'll just fold. It's on the, this is the hinge side, this is the pull side. I don't know, I'm sure they probably use some sort of Torx bit in here, so we'll just pop both of these tabs and we'll undo this screw and that screw behind there, and we'll probably use a rubber flat piece or a plastic like pry bar or whatever, like I use for the stereos and all the panels, and we'll just pop this out, change this out. This is an actual bulb, like deal, like these bulbs where they have the 2 pins, so that'd be real easy to replace. The one up here is a little different, guys. I'll show you that here in a second, and I think maybe the one in the trunk is like the one up here, but it's not a problem. It's the same way as the ones in the trap blazer that was in the back. It's a tube light instead of like I don't know, whatever the hell I call it, where it's not a tube. Okay, this is what we're looking at here. Sorry about the ping, guys. This is the actual dome lights. On each side here, you know, it's got the map lights, whatever. We'll go back and we'll change those later, but for now I'm going to change this main dome light. It's real simple. Inside here there is a Torx. I think it's a Torx 20 is what it looks like to me. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it looks like maybe a Torx 20. I don't know, maybe it's a 10. I don't know, I'll look. Either way, but that's the only screw that's in here. And then what I'll do is I'll pop this. I think there's 2 tabs here probably, and 1 here and 1 here, so there's 4. No, they're probably spread out more. I think there's probably 6, so you probably have 2 back here somewhere, 2 up here, whatever. They're just the metal clips, like the same one for this when I pull this piece out. So it's the same thing. They'll pop out. Up here somewhere there's 2 metal pieces that slide into a metal clip here, and that's what provides electrical power to this unit and to the dome light. So when we take this off, it'll just hang by the 1 wire, and we'll switch this out. But this is a tube light, guys. So what I have to do is take, let's see, I have to take these, and you see here and here, those are the connectors, those are the power leads. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to solder a wire to each side here, and probably what I'll do is probably put both of these in up here so they'll be nice and bright, and I'll just solder a wire to these leads, and we'll just wrap them around up there. That's really all I'm doing. I mean, I might put a spade on and clip it on or something, but this is really simple. It's not going to come loose. We're going to get it on camera. You guys will be able to see exactly what I'm talking about. I know it seems like you're like, man, what's he doing? But it'll work. I did the same thing in the blazer, no problems, and the subs beat that dome light to hell. So right here in this, with just the stereo and things that are in here, these are not going to come loose, not going to be a problem. So we have those to replace back there. We're going to replace those 4 lights. I already did the ones that are in the floorboard. This one, if you guys can see, is, where the hell, I don't know, it's right there. And we already replaced that one. That one slipped right in. The one over here on the other side is the same way. So the floor lights are already in. That's pretty cool, but it's hard to see the colored light with the rest of the interior lights lit up white. So we're gonna get it all lit up, guys, and we're gonna get some videos tonight, hopefully, and that's what I'm doing today. So we're gonna get that on the blue camera. That'll be for a later episode. You guys have to come back and watch. There's Jesse Bailey. Hi, Jesse Bailey. We're here hanging out in the Jag, going over the light projects, what I got going on. I have the LEDs for the exterior stuff. They're in the shed, in the trap shack, but we don't need to get them out. They're just simple LEDs, nothing. So that's what I'm doing. I think I'm gonna get these dogs out of my hair, make sure that they're fed and watered and all that good stuff, and then I'm gonna come out and I'm gonna do this for a little bit. It'll probably be slow going. I don't really feel too great. My throat hurts today, guys. Killing me. But that's what it is. We're going to get through it. And we're just, like I say, keep on trapping, folks. Keep on trapping. So that's what's up. Thanks for everybody to come out. Watch my live shot here a little bit. Just checking everything out. I appreciate all the likes, shares, all the comments, everybody who follows, everything. Like I say, it wouldn't be anything without you guys. So for real, thank you everybody for all your support, all your goodwill, everything. I really appreciate it. I got a lot of plans for the channel. I want to build it and make it something that we can all do together, and we're gonna figure out a way to profit and make some money, so that way that's all we have to do. We just get up every day and we just trap it out. That's the plan. It'll be a while, guys. We got to get there. It's gonna take some work, but little bits like this, it all adds up, and in time we'll get there. So like I say, I appreciate everybody and everything, and I just want to bring good entertaining show to everybody, and we can all have fun. I'm grateful for everything and everybody. So with that being said, I'm gonna get these dogs taken care of. I'm gonna drink some of my coffee, sort my throat out and let it rest, and we're gonna break out the camera and the tripod and get it rolling, so you guys will be able to watch that soon. So hopefully in the next video I feel a little better. Maybe I'll look a little more kempt. I won't have this hat and everything on. Maybe I'll shave, but I don't think that's what you guys are here for, to look at me. You guys are here to see the cars. But alright, that's what it is, guys. Have a good afternoon. We'll see you this evening. Keep on trapping.